Hey guys! Today I'm sharing with you a Simply Earth recipe box unboxing. If you're not familiar with Simply Earth, I've done some unboxings in the past. I will leave those videos in a playlist link here. Simply Earth is basically a website that does a lot of really great essential oils for a reasonable price. One awesome thing that they do is that they have a recipe box every month for $39, and what you get in that box is basically 4 essential oils plus recipes and supplies to do a bunch of things with those essential oils, which is really awesome. So I'm going to go through and share with you guys what's coming in March's box as well as the bonus box. So if you guys use the code Anya Marie Free, you guys can sign up to get a box for $39 plus you get this bonus box. So this is what it looks like when you have everything that comes in it. And then you will also get a $20 gift card for their website. It'll be a digital gift card that you'll get 24 to 48 hours after you've signed up. And you can use that on the website or on a future box if you are interested in it. So Anya Marie Free is the code. I will leave the link down below. They do send me this box for review, but I think it's such an awesome program and there's so much cool stuff that you get to make. So each month has a very specific theme. I'm excited to get into this month's box and show you guys what they have going for this month. Alright, so when you open up the bonus box, when you get your first box, if you use that code, you'll get this big box here. So it has the monthly box inside that usually looks like this. So when you get a regular one, this is how the monthly box looks. And then inside is the bonus box stuff here. So it comes with some beeswax here. So there's different recipes that'll use that throughout. So they don't send that every month, but they send that within the bonus box. They also give you 2 forms of coconut oil. So this one is like a liquid form, that's the carrier oil form, and then they give you a more solid form of coconut oil, as well as a bottle of almond oil for a carrier oil. You get a bunch of these little roll-on vials. There's 6 of them here, and these are great because most months that I've gotten, they've given kind of a roll-on recipe that you can use with the oils, as well as 6 of these little dropper ones. So if you're doing a unique mix, then you can drop those in there so that you have your mix together. So those are the things that come in just the bonus box. That'll be reusable stuff that you'll use for different recipes. And then if there's specific recipes, a lot of the times in this box, they'll give you the stuff they need. There are occasionally some things that they won't put in the box that are stuff that you need to buy, like certain spices and things like that. But most of the stuff that you need, they send in these boxes or the bonus box. When I opened this box, I was actually super excited because this is a self-care box, and there were actually some things that I had mentioned in my last empties video that I wanted to figure out a way to make myself, and then they included it. So I was super excited because it actually is right up my alley. So like I said, they include 4 essential oils. So the first one that I have is a digest oil. So this one has anise, bergamot, German chamomile, sweet orange essential oils in it. So this one's supposed to help with like if you feel gassy or bloated, or if you just feel like you have an upset stomach, you're supposed to be able to use this one. They also included amyris, which is like a woody scent, blood orange, and then a slightly smaller version of coriander. So those are the 4 essential oils for this month. And then as the bonuses for stuff to make some of the recipes that they included, so they have magnesium flakes, dried lavender flowers, a little aromatherapy inhaler thing. So you're supposed to put the oils in there so you can smell it, I think. Then a little bottle for the sleep spray that I'm most excited about. And then as always, they always include these stickers to go along with it, which I appreciate. So there's stickers for this magnesium sleep spray, magnesium body butter, the bath soak, the roll-on, the inhaler, and then they give you the little ones here for the bottles if you, depending on how you store them. So if you wanted to put them on the top of the bottles to store them and see them more easily, they give you those. So you have to cut them out and then you can just peel off the back and put them on your different products so that you know exactly what they are, which I think is a great detail. They include a handful of recipes here. There's 6 recipes that they have for this month. So the first one, like I said, a lot of times they'll do a roll-on. So this one is a digest roll-on. So it's just 10 drops of the digest essential oil and then the coconut oil put into one of the roller balls. And then you're supposed to use that on your pulse points to relieve nausea, bloating, and gas, which is cool. The one that I am absolutely most excited about and will probably make either tomorrow or Monday is this one. This is the Magnesium Sleep Spray. I just ran out of my Bath & Body Works sleep spray that I've been using for years, and I had mentioned that I was hoping that I would be able to make a more natural one. So this is actually perfect for me. So this one requires a tablespoon of magnesium flakes that you guys will get in the box, a half cup of boiling distilled water, which we have, which is perfect, 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, and then 6 drops of the blood orange essential oil, 4 drops of the amyris, and then you get to spray that on your bed, which is what I love to do anyway. So that's perfect. I'm excited about that. There is a sickness support bath soak, which is great for me as a teacher. I get sick all the time because my kids are always sick. So this is super helpful. So this one you need magnesium flakes, Epsom salt, which if you don't have you would need to buy, fractionated coconut oil, amorous essential oil, digest essential oil, and the dried lavender that they sent with, and then you would put it into a small jar. They did not send the small jar with this one, but it would be easy enough to use a jar that you guys have lying around if you have a mason jar or something like that. There is a diffuser blend here, so this is supposed to be a mood lifting diffuser blend with blood orange and coriander. So those little bottles that came in the bonus box, you would just mix this together in that, and then you can diffuse it in a diffuser. I think this one is a really nice one. It's a mood lifting one. So the blood orange, I really like the citrusy scent, so I think this one is great for that. They also have a recipe for a body butter, which I have yet to make, but I think this would be really cool. So this one again uses those magnesium flakes as well as distilled boiling water, which you would need to get if you don't have. The solid coconut oil, the beeswax that came in the bonus box, and then blood orange essential oil, the amorous essential oil, and then again, you would need a small jar for this one, but if you have like a mason jar or something like that, that would work perfectly. So this one requires either a double boiler or putting a jar in a pan of water. I had mentioned in my last couple of videos, I have yet to buy a double boiler, but someone did say that pan method really works. I am kind of freaked out by it, but I know I need to use that. So I am intrigued by this one, so I will try that out and tell you guys how that goes next video, hopefully. I have spring break coming up, not next week, but the week following. So I'm hoping I can get a chance to try all of these different recipes and get those actually made, since I haven't had a ton of free extra time recently. So that week I'm actually gonna like give myself time to do some of these projects I've been meaning to do. So if you guys want to hear about how those recipes turn out, let me know in the comments and I will respond with how they turned out for me. I'm most excited about the sleep spray, but these other ones seem awesome too. And then the last one is the Anxiety Away Inhaler, which I know I could use. This, you use that little chapstick looking tube, as well as the blood orange essential oil and the coriander essential oil. You remove the bottom tab of the inhaler and pull out cotton. Oh, so there's cotton in there. So I can't get this open right now, but there's a little like cotton piece in it. So you drip the blood orange and coriander on here, and then you put it near your nose, and then you inhale deeply, and it's supposed to help calm you down. Huh, fascinating. Well, I will definitely be able to use that one pretty easily if I can just get it separated. I'm kind of confused by this one. So that is it for the Simply Earth March Essential Oil Recipe Box unboxing. I'm super stoked about this one. I'm really excited about all of the recipes, and these are ones that I am planning on doing over spring break. So 2 weeks, I will do all of these. I actually will probably do the sleep spray one sooner than that because I miss having a sleep spray. So if you guys would like to know how these recipes turned out, let me know that in the comments below and I will let you know how they turned out for me. If you guys are interested in signing up for this box and getting a free bonus box as well as a $20 gift card towards the website, I will leave that code and link down below. Remember, it's Anya Marie free, and you get that gift card and box along with your first purchase of a recipe box for $39. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Simply Earth, let me know that in the comments. If you have had any experiences with the recipe boxes or any thoughts on any of these essential oils, I would love to hear that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.